You are sitting on a gold mine. The average US household has over $5,000 worth of unused items just sitting in closets and garages. Today, I'm showing you how to liquidate that clutter into cash. The 1-year rule. Go through your house. If you haven't touched, worn, or used an item in the last 12 months, it's no longer an asset. It's a liability taking up space. It's time to sell it. Where to sell? Use Facebook Marketplace for furniture and heavy items to avoid shipping. Use eBay for electronics and collectibles to reach a global audience. For high-end clothes, apps like Poshmark or Depop are your best bet. Photography is key. People buy with their eyes. Take photos in natural daylight against a clean background. Mention any flaws honestly, but highlight the benefits. A good photo can increase your selling price by 20%. Pricing strategy. Check what similar items have actually sold for, not just what people are asking. Price your items slightly higher than your bottom line to give room for lowballers to negotiate. Reinvest the profit. Don't spend the money you make. Put this found money directly into your debt or your emergency fund. Tomorrow, for day 10, we learn the 50-30-20 rule, the ultimate blueprint for your salary.